You're investing in a 4-year degree, and at SVSU, we're here to show you it's worth it. And when it comes to finding your ideal job, it means having a dedicated career services team in place to create a 4-year action plan to keep you on pace to achieve your goals. It means having one of the top-ranked nursing and social work programs in the Midwest, a business school ranked in the top 5% internationally, and teaching programs recognized across the country. It means future engineers on a world-leading formula racing team, tomorrow's lawyers on a moot court team ranked 17th in the country, and having over 8,000 employers hiring through our career services. And it means joining the 97% of our graduates who go on to get quality jobs, becoming innovative, respected leaders in their field. Come see for yourself. You're worth it. And it all starts here at Saginaw Valley State University. Enroll today.